I wanted to talk a little bit about how do we find good candidates. So there's a lot of different ways to do it. I'll just walk through how I do mine. And so I have a watch list, regular watch list that I have on my trading account for put spreads. And I will kind of glance at those and do a sort based on how high is the IV, how far away are the earnings dates and things like that. FinViz, it's a great website, and it actually has a screener in there that you can set up and do screens based on things like the RSI. You can do it based on certain candles, like a bear candle or a bull candle and things like that. And we could show that later if you guys want. Power Options is a service that does some great screening. You can set it up by strategy, enter in what your filters are, and it will spit out trades that would fit that criteria. So if you say, I want to at least make 2% return and I want 2 or 3% downside protection, and it has to be a beta of less than 1.5 and things like that, it will spill out the particular trades. The other thing in FinViz, if you go to the groups section, there's a tab under group section, and it will show you what sectors are doing well in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. And then you can, in your system, you can do a screen of high IV stocks, which ones have high IV and low IV. I also use things like I read Barron's on the weekend. It has a lot of great information about particular stocks that I'll kind of add to my research list. IBD, Investors Business Daily, also has a lot of really good information on particular stocks, and other things like the Wall Street Journal might have an article about a sector or a stock and things like that. So, and I'll come back and we'll go back and look at some of these if you like. Any questions about